Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Thanks for viewing this video. Today we will look at the equals method and the equals ignore case method. As you might have guessed, these methods are used to check whether two strings are equal. On one hand, the equals method considers the case sensitivity of the characters of both strings being compared, whereas on the other hand, the equals ignore case method considers the lowercase characters to be the same as the uppercase characters. We have to note that these two methods return true or false values, so they return Boolean values. So let's take an example to see how these methods behave. And I will start by declaring my string variables. So I will declare two string variables. I will say string, I will call it str1 equal, in here I'm going to write programming, and I will declare my second string. I will call it str2, and I will write programming here, but in all caps. Okay, so in uppercase. Now I need to write the statements to call the method. So I'm going to write these statements in the System.out.println. And inside the brackets, that's where I'm going to write a statement to call my method. So I'm going to call the method for okay, I'm going to start by writing the name of the string variable str1, that the name of the method I want to use. So the name is equals method, and I will need, oh sorry, my bad, I need to write equals like this, and inside this equals I need to write inside the brackets, I need to write the string variable that I am comparing with. So I'm comparing str2. So I'm comparing these two string variables to see whether they are the same. Okay, so this is actually what this method is saying. So like, I want you to compare this string str1 with str2 to see whether they are the same. If they are the same, it will return true. If they are not, it will return false. If I run, it returns false. Okay, why it's returning false? Because this equals method, takes into consideration the case sensitivity. Okay, so based on the cases being used in these two variables, the method considers them to be different. So here we have the first character, which is an uppercase character, and then the remaining characters are lowercases. But here in the second string variable, all the characters are uppercase characters. So that's why it's returning false here. But you will see that if I do another System.out.println, and inside I will write the statement to call my method. I will do str1, that instead of calling the method equals, I'm going to call the method equals ignore case. Okay, ignore case, like this. And in here I'm ready to write the string variable I'm comparing with. So if I run, you will see that it will return true. Let me remove this one, run this. It returning true because this equals ignore case method completely ignores the case sensitivity. So it's not case sensitive. So it takes lowercase characters to be the same as uppercase characters. So this P here is the same as this one. They are all uppercase. This R in lowercase is taken to be the same as this R in uppercase format. So that's why it's returning true here. So according to this method, these two strings are equal. But if we used the equals method, we would see that it would return false because that method is case sensitive. So guys, that's what we need to keep in mind here. When you want to use the equals method, you have to keep in mind that the equals method is case sensitive, but the equals ignore case method is not case sensitive. That means that it takes lowercase characters to be the same as uppercase characters. So guys, thanks for viewing this video. I hope it was informative, and please don't forget to support this channel by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Cheers.